So, hello everyone. Today I will introduce to a machine, a huge one. This is excavator. What is its purpose and structure? They are especially used for excavation and loading on hard ground. Excavators are heavy construction equipment consisting of a boom, dipper, bucket, and cap on a rotation platform. So this model is Caterpillar 336 GS. This Caterpillar is a company based in the United States. This is the technical specifications for this model. Net power is 204 kilowatts. Engine model is CAT C7.91. Engine power is 205 kilowatts. Operating weight 36,500 kilograms. Maximum diving depth 7,230 millimeters. Boom is reaching to 6.5 meters. Stick is reaching to 3.9 meters. So how much does this huge machine cost? This is for United States, these prices. The sale prices usually range from $150,000 to $250,000. And what is the advantages over similar ones? 336 GS provides 5% fuel efficiency, and the 336 GS gas work done efficiently and reliable with balanced power and control, and an adjustable seat, easy to reach controls. And this is so important for operator, and this make for a more pleasant, safer work environment. And the maintenance cost is 20% less. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and like it.